Hello friends! Today we're diving deep into the world of high-performance laptops with a comprehensive comparison between the brand new Asus Zenbook S16 and the ever-popular MacBook Pro. Asus is making some bold claims with the Zenbook S16, promising a machine that's thinner, lighter, and potentially even faster than the MacBook Pro. It's designed with AI in mind and boasts a stunning display with powerful specs. But can it really outperform the MacBook Pro and take the crown for the ultimate creative powerhouse? Well, let me break down everything you need to know and help you decide which of these laptops might be the perfect fit for your needs. And let's see if the Zenbook S16 truly has what it takes to dethrone the MacBook Pro. Let's start off with portability. The Zenbook S16 really shines here with just 1.1 centimeters thick and weighs a mere 1.5 kilograms. That's pretty incredible for a 16-inch laptop and makes it super easy to carry around. On the other hand, the MacBook Pro, also sleek and tad thicker at 1.68 centimeters. And depending on the configuration you choose, it can weigh around 2.16 kilograms. So, if you're constantly on the go and every gram counts, the Zenbook might have a slight edge. Now, let's dive into the brains of these machines. The MacBook Pro is powered by Apple's M3 series processors, and you've got some serious options here to choose. The M3 Pro model features a 12-core CPU and 18-core GPU with a 16-core neural engine. If you need even more power, the M3 Max version kicks it up a notch, with configurations that go up to a 16-core CPU and a whopping 40-core GPU. This translates into exceptional performance, whether you're crunching numbers, editing videos, or even dabbling in some gaming. And that's not all. Apple also offers impressive memory options, with the M3 Max supporting up to 128 gigabytes of unified memory and storage options that go up to 8 terabytes. Meanwhile, the Zenbook S16 is powered by AMD's Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor with 12 cores, paired with 32 gigabytes of RAM and a 2 terabytes of SSD. The standout feature here is the AMD Ryzen AI engine, which promises up to 50 tera operations per second of AI performance. This is particularly exciting for tasks involving generative AI and demanding games, making the Zenbook a formidable contender in the AI and gaming space. When it comes to battery life, the MacBook Pro takes the crown. It boasts a 100 watt-hour lithium polymer battery that Apple claims can last up to 22 hours of Apple TV playback, or 15 hours of web browsing. In most tests, it even exceeded these numbers, giving up to 24 hours of video playback. This is a huge advantage for anyone who needs their laptop to last through long workdays or cross-country flights without constantly searching for an outlet. On the other hand, the Asus Zenbook S16 is also designed to last a full day with its 78 watt-hour battery, but the specifics aren't as clear-cut as the MacBook Pros. Asus claims all-day battery life, but it might not hit the same heights as Apple's powerhouse. It's still more than adequate for most users. So, which one should you choose? It really depends on your priorities. If you need the ultimate in portability and a laptop that's designed with AI and gaming in mind, the Asus Zenbook S16 is a fantastic choice. It's thin, light, and powerful in ways that cater to modern computing needs. On the other hand, if you're looking for raw power, unmatched battery life, and the polished ecosystem that Apple provides, the 16-inch MacBook Pro is hard to beat. Its performance, battery longevity, and range of configurations make it a top pick for professionals and creatives alike. But let's not move on without consider some alternatives. If you're leaning towards the Windows ecosystem, laptops like the Dell XPS 15 or the Microsoft Surface Laptop Studio are worthy competitors. They offer strong performance, beautiful displays, and robust build quality. On the Mac side, if the 16-inch model is a bit too much, the 14-inch MacBook Pro offers many of the same benefits in a slightly more compact package. As for my final verdict, both the Asus Zenbook S16 and the 16-inch MacBook Pro are stellar machines that cater to different needs and preferences. Think about what features are most important to you, be it portability, battery life, AI capabilities, or raw performance, and make your choice accordingly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this comparison helpful. Subscribe for more tech reviews and updates, and I'll see you in the next video.